How to create as custom size in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device. As you do that, tap on the plus icon over here at the bottom of the screen, and then here under the create new option, you can see the option of custom size. So tap on custom size, and here you can just mention the width and the height of the frame, and then tap on create new design. So here, as you have mentioned the height and the width, you'll be able to get the customized size over here. Now, if you want to have a bigger size over here, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the template, or you can just rather go back and then tap on the plus icon over here, and then tap on the custom size options yet again, and create a new width over here, new height as well, and then tap on create new design, and then you'll be able to create a new custom size in Canva as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.